Okay. Come. Wait. Wait, come here. Come. Come here. Don't go out. Stay here, okay? Come here. Okay. Honey. Come here. Guys, I'm really sure. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Oh. Come here. Maui. Look at this, guys. This one also, he don't want to eat with a lot of cats. He want to eat it alone. Yeah. He want to eat alone, and he don't like to be together. Huh? Okay, you eat it. This has beautiful tail. Look at his tail. So beautiful. It's Persian cat. Beautiful tail. Look at him. Yeah, so beautiful tail. Look at his tail. Beautiful tail. Beautiful. Look at his tail, so beautiful. Persian cat. You like it? Huh? You like it? Do you love our DIY mosquito scent? Yeah, you like it, I know. You like it, sweetheart? It's our DIY mosquito scent. Because now it's rainy season, and there is a lot of mosquitoes everywhere biting us, sweetheart. Okay.